12575. Not hearing it. Too far away.
We're close.
Did I get it wrong? 12575, or is that a 675? It's right on the crease. See a 6 or a 5 there.
Pretend I'm not here.
That's a 6.
Okay, so you want some advice?
Yeah.
Are you over that town we think it is?
I think so.
Okay, let's pick a heading or follow a road or something, see if it takes us to Lake City.
Lake City Gateway Airport. Automated weather
Yeah, you know where you probably are, so let's get a really good heading.
Weather, wind,
I know you're about 17 miles away. I know that 17 miles is probably going to be
7,000, scattered, ceiling, 1,000, broken, temperature, 3, 2, Celsius, 2.2,
10 minutes away,
0,
I don't know.
altimeter, 2, 9er, 8, remark. Density altitude, 2,200.
So 6 minutes was way off, wasn't it?
Control tower published hours of Monday through
Oh
Friday.
my God, that's annoying.
16:30 local and by no time. Use 119.
So 6 minutes was way off, wasn't it? You said we were 6 minutes away.
Yeah, way off.
Right, okay, so think about that math.
Okay.
What were the winds?
I didn't get it yet. I was just trying to hear what you were saying.
All right, that's my bad. I thought you had it.
Lake City Gateway Airport. Automated weather observation 2124. Zulu weather. Wind calm. Visibility 10. 5,000. Scattered 7,000. Scattered. Ceiling 1,000. Broken. Temperature 3, 2 Celsius. 2.20. Altimeter 9er, 8. Remark. Density altitude 2,200.
The control tower published hours of...
There's more stuff, man. You need to hear that. Cut it off a little soon.
Up to 175 feet, 1 mile on final, runway 10.
Lake City Gateway Airport. Automated weather observation 2125. Zulu weather. Wind calm. Visibility 10. 5,000. Scattered 7,000. Scattered. Ceiling 1,000. Broken. Temperature 3, 2 Celsius. 2.20. Altimeter 9er, 8. Remark. Density altitude 2,200.
The control tower published hours of Monday through Friday, 0800 16:30 local and by no time. Use 119.2 for CTAF procedures outside of published hours. Caution, bird activity on and near the runways and traffic patterns.
All right,
Caution,
is the tower
training
open?
extending up to 175 feet.
All right,
1
it's good
mile.
to know, right?
It is good. And it's verified the frequency.
All right, so you were supposed to follow a road out of that town. Did you follow a road, or did you just kind of head this direction?
I'm just heading this direction, staying on 3-3. I know it's just
but
south
you
of...
got to follow a road, like we're piloting. So
Okay.
where's the road?
Right there off the
All
left
right,
wing.
so let's follow the
Want me
road.
to get back over to it?
No, as long
okay.
as you can find the airport.
I see the airport.
Great. Now what?
Well, I don't have that one printed out. I don't have the map for it.
Everything you need's right there.
So, yeah. I see that it looks like a nearly east-west runway. I'm just going to fly over it and look at the thing and Listen for traffic.
What's your traffic pattern altitude?
Oh, which one? Looks like it's 80 feet above sea level, so 1,100, 1,000 to 1,100.
No, 1,100, not
Okay.
1,000. No, 1,100. If that's
All right,
what it
and
says.
it does say left.
Does
so
it?
it's a left.
No, that's not what that means. That's lighting.
Oh. Well, it doesn't say R, so you can assume that it's left.
Right pattern, runway 28.
Oh, geez.
So you know if you're landing to the west, it's 28, and that tells you that there's a 28, and there's the opposite of 28. So it's a runway 01 and 28 are the primary. You know that. There's a 28, there's got to be a 100. And you know it's a right pattern 28. Which one are you going to land, the winds or comp?
I'd like to see what everybody else is doing.
Okay, you up there, freak?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I don't hear anybody.
Okay, what should you normally do, though? Now that it's a non-control field, what should you be saying right now?
Inbound.
Okay.
And we think we're, what, 5 miles now?
Sure.
Sure. And this is Lake City.
Lake City traffic, Skyhawk 1100, 5 miles from the east inbound. Lake City.
Okay, so what runway are you going to use?
I guess 28, since we're pretty much on it already.
Okay.
If I can just swing around and get in a pattern, that gives me more time to identify if there's anybody there.
Okay.
And I definitely need to be descending.
Is it a right pattern or a left pattern?
Ah, you're right, it's a right pattern, so I need to go around the north side. Thank you.
Now, if you're going to cross the runway, what's your best option for doing it? You're going to cross from this half to the other half. What is your best option?
Above the center.
Midfield for a right downwind. Now, the reason why I know Lake City is a right pattern is they're trying to do noise abatement. So as a courtesy, let's stay at 2.5. It's not on the chart. I'm just telling you that.
Okay.
They're being kind to the Lake Cityites. They're trying to keep you on the north side of the runway. So we'll stay high just because I told you to stay high. But other than that, you'd be perfectly fine coming in midfield at 1,100 feet.
So do you want me to go to the north side of the runway?
No, I don't want you to do that because I never want you crossing in front of the departure traffic.
Okay.
I don't want you doing that. Or actually, we're landing to the west. No, if you're going to come right, you are going to right. Yeah, do it midfield. Don't. I am always reluctant to cross either arriving or departing traffic that way. So remember, the book has 3 ways of doing it. 45 downwind. Number 2 is midfield to a downwind. That's number 2, and we should go in that order. Number 3 is teardrop to the downwind. So we're going to go in that order. That makes sense or no?
Yeah.
Okay. There is no, I'm going to cross the extended center line to go to the other side. You know, when you're this close, when you're out forever and ever, that's fine. That's one thing. Let me see. I'm trying to see where we're at. Okay, Lake City is 200 feet, and I thought it was.
Ah.
So you're reading the wrong number. You see that 201?
Okay.
Your pattern altitude is 1,200 feet.
Copy, 1,200.
2,500.
All right, so question, I'm going to cross perpendicular to the runway at target altitude of 500 over pattern, so 1,700.
Negative. Number 2 is you cross at pattern altitude if you're going direct to the downwind.
Direct to the downwind. Okay, that was my next
question. If you're doing a teardrop, because there's a lot of people in the pattern, but you still need to go from this side to the other side, then you're 500 feet above, 45 a minute. As you come in, you descend to pattern to do a normal 45 downwind entry.
Okay. Okay, how do you say this? Crossing midfield for right pattern entry for 28.
I would just say Lake City traffic, Skyhawk 110 is overhead midfield for right, downwind runway 28, Lake City traffic.
Lake City traffic, Skyhawk.
Yet. You're not there yet. You're not overhead midfield.
Yeah, I was just trying to tell them that I'm almost here.
No.
Like somebody should know.
No, we don't. You already told them you're inbound. So I don't. The one thing I would caution you not to get into the habit of is giving 2 mile 3 updates, especially because there's nobody here. Now you can do it. You can do whatever you want in the end. I'm just trying to tighten up your comms to be more professional and less annoying to other pilots.
L 1982.
Lake City traffic, Skyhawk 1100, crossing at midfield for a right pattern entry, runway 28. Lake City traffic.
I can't think of the name of this place.
A lot of nothing out here, man. A lot of nothing.
Whole lot of nothing.
A whole lot of nothing going on.
It's gonna kill this stinking chart. Oh goodness. Okay. Got way fast there. All right, we're under 100. Carb heat, all the things. All right, landing jet, fuel selector, where to go? There we go, mixture enrich. Please check your seatbelt, mine's good. Carb heat's already out. Landing light is on, and we're gonna shoot for the 65 mile an hour, 30-degree flap. Probably touch and go unless you tell me other.
Yeah. All right, so for the record, you burned 2 gallons.
Okay, I was being conservative and I knew it. I was just thinking I would much rather think I have more than what I do.
The big question, you know, and you're correct, is do I have enough to get there? That's really the big question.
Lake City traffic, Skyhawk 1100, right base, runway 28, Lake City.
It's way too early.
Frit.
Okay, that'll look ugly on the flight aware.
Runway 1028.
Oh, there's the Pappies. Man, those are
Vassies.
weak-ass Pappies. Oh,
Vassies. They're a little different. Are very weak. I agree.
go fast. They have a very long runway.
Runway 1028.
All right, so when you're comfortably airborne and away from the ground and safe, take us to Herlong. Get me a course, get me a distance, get me a time, get me a fuel.
Copy. Wow.